One, two, three. Ready? Start. After conclusion of the prosecution, evidence, incriminating circumstances and evidences collected during the trial were explained to the accused persons and accused persons were examined under section 313 of the CRPC on 7/2/2013, in which they claimed to be innocent. Parachain. After placing evidence of all the witnesses, Sri Aditya Anand, learned counsel assisted by Sri Alok Kumar Verma, learned counsel for the appellants, has argued that prosecution has failed to establish the case beyond all reasonable doubts against the appellants, and the learned trial court has committed error in passing the judgment of conviction and sentence against them. Learned counsel for the appellants has vehemently stated that PW1, PW2 and PW3 are harshly witnesses, and as such their evidence cannot be relied upon. He has further submitted that the doctor who had conducted post-mortem examination has not been examined, nor any explanation has been given as to whether the doctor is dead or alive. Accordingly, it is submitted that cause of death is not certain. He further submitted that in view of the evidence of PW3 Arun Prasad Shah in paragraph 8 of his cross-examination, it is evident that marriage was solemnized without dowry, and it was a kind of model marriage. Accordingly, learned counsel for the appellants submitted that it was not a case of dowry death, and nobody has been the occurrence. He further submitted that while giving benefit of doubt, this court may consider to pass an order of acquittal in favor of the appellants. Parachain. On the other hand, Sri Ajay Mishra, learned additional public prosecutor, has submitted that there are enough material and evidence on record to convict the appellants, and during the course of trial the prosecution has clearly established and proved the charge as against the appellants, and the learned trial court has rightly passed the judgment convicting the appellants in the present case. Parachain. After having regard learned counsel for the parties and manipulatively going through the evidences and materials on record, we are prima facie satisfied that prosecution has established the case beyond all reasonable doubts, and there is no reason for us to interfere with the impugned judgment of conviction and order of sentence. However, before giving our conclusive finding, it is necessary to analyze the evidence on record. Parachain. PW5 Awadh Bihari is the informant and father of the deceased, who in his evidence has stated in paragraph 1 that the occurrence had taken place on 17/11/2010 in the house of his son-in-law and mother-in-law, Rekha Devi, of the deceased, had informed this witness on phone that his daughter has died due to gas cylinder burst, full stop. He further stated that marriage of Mamta was solemnized about 3 years back with Pankaj Kumar Gupta within bracket appellant as per Hindu rights, and at the time of marriage a lot of gifts were also given, full stop, in paragraph number 2 of his evidence. This witness has stated that after marriage Mamta within bracket deceased went to Sasural and about 1 year she stayed over there, full stop. Subsequently Pankaj